repressing your emotions goes to your body. It can create illness. It can create repeating patterns in your life that you don't know where they come from. So the emotions will keep on popping up, showing you, hey, look at that. And if you ignore them, they will come up again. So well, let's go to a very simple tool that you can start using right now to, let's say, stop the resistance against your emotions and stop repressing them. So this is called the love and acceptance tool. You can use also colors if you like and if you're a visual person, but first I will share with you a tool that is without colors, just with the intention. So, for instance, if you are overwhelmed by something, you will say, I love and accept the part of me that feels overwhelmed. I love and accept the part of me that feels sad. I love and accept the part of me that feels there is no other way, or there are no options for me right now. I love and accept the part of me that feels sadness. I love and accept the part of me that feels fear of this new chapter in my life. I love and accept the part of me that feels, let's say, stressed. I love and accept the part of me that feels anxiety. I love and accept the part of me that feels that I have to be in control of every little situation and in every little detail, that I have to be on top of things, that I have to be strong. I love and accept the part of me that feels unsupported. Whatever it is that is happening in your life or in your thoughts, just go ahead and try that. Just say to yourself, you don't have to say it out loud, but if you want, it's fine. I love and accept the part of me that. And just go through that exercise. If you want to increase the potency of this exercise, it's a bit spiritual, but we are spiritual, guys. If you have not realized it yet, it will come to you at certain points, this awareness. But our bodies can be also used to help increase the efficiency and effectiveness of this practice. So this is the thymus and this is the heart center. This is an exercise that recycles the energy, positive or negative, of that feeling. And so imagine an infinity 8 running all the way like this. Just imagine it or feel it while you're saying those words. Some people do tapping. If you are well with tapping, some people say, I love and accept the part of me that is sad. Or tapping, that's also a great work, but that's not the tool I'm going to go for today. The good thing of including something with your body that is for your ego harder to go in and make your nervous system crash. So when you're tapping into your body, you give the sense to the sensation and the signal to your body that you're safe. I actually do that with my kids if you're interested, to see how we can work with emotions and things that are needing to be processed with kids. So just let me know. I do it with my kids. It's very effective. But anyway, just go ahead and imagine a symbol 8 running like that and say, I love and accept the part of me that. And it can be very small or it can be very big. There are triggers in our lives that sometimes we cannot even explain. But that's a very good step to start calming down your emotions towards this kind of feeling of sadness, or feeling, okay, there's something in my life I gotta be doing, but I'm not doing it. I still don't know what it is yet. So start loving and accepting the part of you that still is in this search. Because at the end, anyway, you are complete. You are complete as you are. And it's good to have the desire to be something else and to achieve more and to go for more. But it's still that we need to calm that inner child that is nervous, that still is not fulfilled and feels absolutely loved and unconditionally accepted. So it's good to say, I love and accept the part of me that. It calms down and it gives you that energy to start focusing on the next chapter of your life, because it starts bringing together all that energy that you have lost in specific moments and emotions. It gives you that energy back, and with that energy in your heart, you'll see that your life starts moving in the direction that is your highest potential, your highest next step, your best possible next outcome. So go ahead and do that. Take your time, breathe deep, think for yourself, what are you feeling? Say to yourself, what am I feeling? What am I thinking? What am I sensing? If there is nothing missing in your life, you can say, I love and accept the part of me that feels happy. I love and accept the part of me that is complete. I love and accept the part of me that is grateful. Still is energy. Even when you're very happy, you are actually using your emotions as well. And they are all over the place sometimes. So just bring it back to you. If there are moments, events in your life, people that are in your mind, that are always getting your attention, or you find yourself always thinking about these people, or thinking about these problems, or thinking about these meetings, it's very important for you as a very successful, focused human being to bring all that energy back to you, back to your heart. Why? Because it will potentialize even your meetings next time. You will be more focused, more clear, more energetic. You will be more yourself. You will bring that energy that is spread around all over the place. Have you ever heard of Ho'oponopono? This is a teaching that comes from Hawaii, and it's very simple but also very powerful. Try it out. So when you experience, also use it with your emotions. If you have any experience in your life, let's say you have a problem with a person, or you have a challenge to face, or actually the same topic where we're facing right now. You have something inside of you that wants to be manifested, but is still not manifested yet. So love and accept that part of you, or say the following: I'm sorry. Say it yourself, to your higher self, to yourself. It's not for anybody else to be said. So for yourself, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just these 4 words change everything. Just listen to my voice while you hear these words. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. This is just powerful. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Look at this online. There's enough information about Ho'oponopono and their practitioners, so I'm not going to go deep into it. But this is a very, very powerful tool as well to transform reality, to help even people. You don't even have to tell them, hey, I'm going to help you. Just do that. Say, when you see somebody having a problem, and let's say a person has a sickness or is having a family member of you or a child, you see they have a problem, that they are not happy, they're dissatisfied, they are maybe depressed, whatever it is. If you are experiencing something in your life, anything, whatever it is a mirror for you that you have shared memories. Even in your subconscious, there is some stories that you are sharing with that person, or with that event, or with that news that you're watching. No matter what it is, if it's in your reality, you have something you're sharing about that story. So let's say if I would see, well, in my past when I was living in Latin America, and I used to see a lot of people begging on the streets for money and food. I don't have that reality anymore. I don't see it. It's been years. I've not seen that in the streets in my life anymore. It's not existent. But I remember when I did see that, at that time I didn't have all the tools I have right now, but I did send people love, or I said people peace, or sometimes wealth and stuff like that. But lately what I've seen is people with disabilities. A lot of people with disabilities are right now in my reality. And I obviously don't have a disability, a physical disability. I'm not in a wheelchair, or I have a mental disability right now. But if I am experiencing that in my reality, meaning I observe it sometimes, there are shared memories of these ones and me. No matter what it is. Could be even animals that you see often, or cockroaches in your house. No matter what. Everything is telling you a message. So I would go and say, I'm sorry for whatever is inside of me that has created this reality for you. It doesn't mean that it's a bad reality. It's just their reality. I'm not saying it's good or bad. I'm just saying I'm sorry for whatever is inside of me that has created all of this. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. That's all what it takes. You don't have to go for more. That's it. You're automatically extending peace, love, joy. And every time you go to any teaching online in YouTube or whatever you are, just look for the message, not the messenger. Look for, is this message and this information that I'm hearing feeling good? Do I feel expansive or contracted? Is it moving my life forward? Is it helpful in certain way to help me in my life? So always look for the message, not the messenger. And that's how you will know if a tool will work for you or not. And that's how you will know or learn how to tune to your intuition, if the message is worth your time or not. Yeah. Go ahead and do that whenever you see any tip online on what to do. It's also very difficult with the amount of information there is outside nowadays to sort out what is good, what is bad, what is true, what is false. No matter what you hear, you can always tune into your heart and know what is real. What is real actually is only love and truth of everything. Everything is love. God, the creator, is only love. Therefore, you are only love.